Before you can put one word to paper, you must know what and who your story is about. A great story starts with a compelling idea that captures the imagination and lays the foundation for a captivating story. All the links mentioned in this video are in the description box below. It is your calling as a writer to constantly search for new ideas, that elusive one idea that will change the world. Your life as a writer is informed, inspired, and driven by passion. Your idea will ignite a burning fire that will rage on until its flames are seen from the moon. In this video, we will take a look at what makes an idea original, the art of adaptation, how to make your voice heard as a writer, the war on cliché, exploring the world of ideas, criteria for a good idea, and finding the right idea. Let's dive in. A story is not only what you have to say, but how you choose to say it. Writing demands the creation of works that can move audiences across 6 continents and endure in revival for decades. Master filmmakers, from Charlie Chaplin to Steven Spielberg, from Satyajit Ray to Woody Allen, along with playwrights like Tennessee Williams and novelists such as Tolkien, Stephen King, and Ernest Hemingway, offer their audiences and readers something unmistakably their own. What makes your story unique is a fresh perspective, an angle or twist that revitalizes familiar themes or genres. Strong characters with depth, flaws, and relatable motivations drive the narrative and forge a connection with the audience. Clear conflict propels the story forward. Rich, immersive world building deepens the experience. A strong theme gives the work resonance and meaning. Emotional impact keeps audiences invested. A compelling plot provides a clear beginning, middle, and end, with well-defined turning points and character arcs. Visual storytelling conveys emotion and meaning without relying solely on dialogue. A great idea is only the starting point. Shaping these elements into a cohesive, engaging screenplay requires creativity, discipline, and meticulous attention to detail. Adaptation is, at its core, the same creative act as writing an original story. You are transposing a narrative from one medium to another. The art of adaptation lies in transforming existing works. Novels, plays, screenplays, articles, or even historical events into fresh, innovative narratives. You are reshaping one form into another, crafting a new story inspired by earlier material. The original work becomes a point of departure, a source of energy rather than a set of instructions. It is an art to expand a 3-page article into a 1,000-word story, or to distill a 500-page classic into a 120-page screenplay. Adaptation is both creative and demanding. It challenges you to honor the essence of the source while discovering your own voice within it. And it offers the opportunity to bring beloved stories to new audiences through a new medium. You must make distinctive choices of subject. Be specific about the story you want to tell, yet embrace the universal qualities that allow it to resonate. Your idea must be controlled. Invite audiences or readers into a world they do not yet know. Whether intimate or epic, contemporary or historical, real or abstract. Never mistake eccentricity for originality. Do not be different merely for the sake of being different. Ideas are everywhere, but only for those whose eyes are trained to see. They must be stalked, targeted, captured, sorted, and ultimately paired. What matters most is receptivity. The real craft lies in fleshing ideas out. The greater challenge is sustaining the motivation to develop them into stories, articles, or books, and then writing those works to completion. Writing a story is a process, organic, shifting, and ongoing. When you sit down to write, you begin a journey that may end months or even years later, with pages filled with words, dialogue, and description. What will eventually become a screenplay, stage play, or novel. The idea is the most important element. A story, screenplay, play, or novel can be fixed. The idea cannot. Your reasons for writing must begin with fascination, obsession, and emotional desire. Ask yourself, do you truly care about this subject? Do you love it enough to live with it? Do you care enough to spend the time the story will demand? If you want to write a meaningful story that resonates with audiences and readers worldwide, your idea must contain the right ingredients. Throughout the 20th century, four major concerns have shaped the stories we tell: the notion of God, religious and spiritual questions, democracy, freedom and responsibility, male-female relationships and identity, class, culture, and sexuality. When your story engages with all four, you are working with powerful material. The glue that holds your story together is theme. It echoes through every moment of the telling. Ensure that your idea can be dramatized, verbalized, and visualized. Your idea must also promise conflict. Conflict is the heart and soul of storytelling. Choose stories that demand visualization and make certain your narrative will deliver a rich visual experience. As a writer, you work with two primary emotional colors: sensuality and dramatic action. Choose a story that is good for you to write, one that aligns with your instincts, your temperament, and your emotional truth. You should always be able to say, that is the idea I want to do, that is the idea I can do, that is the idea I believe is worth doing. Writing a story begins in a degree of chaos. Ideas arrive half-formed, scattered, unfinished. The act of writing is the act of moving from chaos to order. How quickly you make that journey depends on how fast you write, how well you understand the craft, how disciplined you are, how demanding your idea is, how much research it requires, and how deeply you value your own creative process. Art is choice. Choice-making sits at the heart of all creative expression. Your possibilities are limitless. Writers always have more ideas than they can use. Professional storytellers do not wait for inspiration to strike, they cultivate it. They learn how to enter a receptive state, how to notice, how to gather. They seek out sparks, write them down, and store them for later. Ideas are free. Anything you see, hear, read, or experience can ignite one. In our next video, we'll explore genre. Before you begin developing the idea for your story, you need to know which genre you're working in and what kind of story you want to write. Like and subscribe for more content from the Writing Studio.